friends, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. We are so excited to share with you the tutorial for the Random Act of Culture / dance in this Week Without Violence event. I have members of the Alvernia Dance Company joining me, and at the end of our tutorial you will get to see members of the Visions Dance Academy performing the whole sequence. So we're going to start. When the music starts, there's going to be 4 counts of 8. That way you know that it's time to come out. On the 4th count of 8, we will all shout 5, 6, 7, 8, and we will begin dancing together. The dance repeats front, side, back, and side, and you can do it sitting or you can do it standing. So I'm going to turn downstage, and you can see the other dancers behind me. We open our right arm and we step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do the same thing to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Our right arm goes up as we step out, elbow down and across. Other way, up, down, across, up, down, across, up, down, across. That happens fast though. So it goes, let's do it, dancers. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much. So let's put those two things together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. We're moving on. So we do a little mambo cha-cha, front, front, side, side. It goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Right. And so you see Cher, she's moving her shoulders, she's moving her arms. She can still dance even though her lower body is still. So let's do that again, dancers. 5, 6, just that last part. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Let's put those 3 things together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Excellent. We're almost to the end. Big slide to the side, side, and you can step back, little ball change, a weight shift there. Slide, weight shift, and then you have 4 counts to turn to the left, just a quarter turn, but you can get as funky as you want. 5, 6, 7, 8 to start the whole thing over. Let's turn down stage and do it one more time, maybe 2 more times. Famous dancer words, right? One more last time. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's do just that much one more time, starting downstage or wherever our front might be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much, dancers. As you're doing this, please feel free to add your own flair, add your own style. As I said, we will repeat it front, side, back, side, and you will see the dancers from Visions Dance Company demonstrating that for you in the next clip. We will repeat the whole front side, backside, front side, backside, front side, backside, 4 times. I only said it 3. And then we will all expand into a giant circle, and anybody who wants to take the stage or the center of the circle is welcome to do so. Thank you so much. We are so excited for you to join us in the celebration of dance and a week without violence.